guys, so I would just like to say that I know this is not the best tutorial ever, but you will get the general idea of what to do and what you need, and then you can just rock it yourself as you wish, as you like. So be nice. Okay, thank you, bye. On Halloween 2017 I made this neck piece, so I wanted to follow up on it and show you guys what you need and what to do to get a similar result. Now just quickly what you will need. You will need some liquid latex, also some fake vampire blood, it's important it's fake, cotton pads, then 2 old brushes or brushes you won't need in the future, some toilet paper for cleaning, and old eyeshadows or new eyeshadows, depends on you. You will put a layer of latex on the place where you want your scar to be, then you will tear the cotton pads and put them on, and then you will again cover them in another layer of liquid latex to create this effect of clumpsy, like a chunky tissue, flesh and skin. So it's disgusting, you know. I really hope you understand where I'm headed with this. After you are quite satisfied with your result, you will want it to dry. You can of course help yourself with hair dryer. And what I forgot to mention in the intro is that you will need makeup and powder in your skin tone. I don't use makeup so much, so obviously I totally forgot about it. And I used my old one, which doesn't really match. Now I'm trying to fix it with my concealer, which doesn't really help. Now it's the powder time. Yeah, so don't make the same mistake as I did. Now it's time to shade your scar. I started with a black eyeshadow in the middle because that's where the cut is, so it's the deepest and darkest spot. In general, I would recommend using different shades of browns and nudes, also some reds and purples, because after having such a cut in your throat, I would think your neck is going to be pretty bruised. Don't forget that you can shape and mold your latex/cotton skin a little with your fingers to help achieve the desired look. I would say that my first attempt in 2017 went slightly better, but I'm not professional whatsoever, so if I could do this, you can do it as well. And at the end of the day, it's just about having fun. After you are satisfied with your shading, now it's where the real fun starts. I started dripping the blood just all over myself, which was not too smart, so put the blood in a container and apply it with your brush. If you want to achieve the look I showed you from the start of this video, then you just want to run your skin, not your own skin, but the latex skin, with some thread and needle. Like this. And now it's time to show you the final result. You got emotion. You got oh, don't you know? I also got some peel porn for you guys, but obviously the middle of my scar wasn't really attached. So don't make the same mistake as me and be sure that you have a solid latex base. Now just my Insta story, and this is it. This is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it at least a little. And if you have any tips and tricks, please leave them in the comments down below. Thank you and have a great day. Bye!
You got